This 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 28.1 SE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Coachmen RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, skylight, microwave, stovetop burner, external shower, air conditioning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, TV, water heater, leveling jacks, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Freedom Express Select 28.1 SE is 5,699 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Coachmen RV.